Hi everybody and welcome back to the channel. It's another Tuesday again already. Man, time is flying. I'm a little tired today, so I apologize if I look out of it. It's because I am. But I enjoy these uploads on Tuesday. We get an opportunity to cover so much, talking about a quick tip from Rick. I have one today that's going to make you a little uneasy, but I think it's a topic, and thankfully at somebody's expense, we're going to be able to cover for you today. And then of course, we're going to end today's vlog with your beautiful ride. First, to get us started though, I'm going to do some announcements for the channel, kind of call it a Corvette channel bulletin board, if you will. Well, that was cute. I want to remind you guys, on Monday, August 26th at Coghlan Circleville, a friend of mine, Matt Dillon, and also the sales manager down there, that Coghlan, has hooked us up to have the opportunity to meet and hang out with Jim Mero. Do you know who that is? Jim Mero, engineer, retired engineer for Corvette. Yeah, that guy. Well, Jim will be coming back from Corvettes at Carlisle on his way to the Corvette Museum's 25th anniversary celebration. Wow, a lot of activity going on for Corvette. But he's going to make a pit stop at Coghlan Circleville, and he's doing a reflash of the magnetic ride control on Matt's C6 Corvette. Now check this out. This is where you guys come in. If you've got a C6 Corvette and you want your magnetic ride flashed on your car, well, he can tweak that touring and really get it optimized for you. But in your sport mode, he can give you 5 different settings. Pick which one you want that will work for the way that you're going to drive your car, if you're going to track your car, and they will be noticeable. You saw how the software update worked for the C7 Corvette. Same kind of thing for C6 Corvette on Monday the 26th at Coghlan Circleville from 4 to 6 p.m. for $325. You can have that reflash done if you want to on your C6 Corvette. Here's the other cool thing. Jim's going to sign some autographed posters for us, some ZR1 posters. I'll give those away here on the channel, and we're going to talk with Jim, just do a little vlogging. Now, since Jim is retired, he started a YouTube channel, a Facebook page. We'll talk about that. And again, you'll have an opportunity to meet him at Coghlan Circleville, Monday the 26th, 4 to 6 p.m. I look forward to meeting you guys and look forward to sharing it next Tuesday right here on our YouTube channel. I guess that's something important to talk about as well, with Corvettes at Carlisle coming up this weekend, and then the following weekend, the 25th celebration, the big caravan at the National Corvette Museum. You guys are going to be traveling all over the place. Don't forget to turn on your notifications right here on the YouTube channel. We're still going to be uploading content. I don't want you to miss a thing, including the interview and the meet and greet with Jim Mero next Tuesday right here on this channel. All right, guys, a couple of more discussions here on our Corvette channel bulletin board, if you will. Let's talk about C8 orders, and those of you inquiring and trying to get a reply from me about getting an order, getting an allocation request in, it is still a zoo. I told you it was going to take me all month to get to everybody, to at least get your preliminary orders entered so your requests are there, and then I'll be in touch to review that order with you before it's finalized, before the allocation's released. Again, lots of time to make sure it's right, just the way you want it, so you got that big giant smile when your C8 2020 mid-engine Corvette actually arrives. The rant I have right now for the bulletin board is for those of you that aren't ordering with us. Please understand, I still haven't reached all of my customers yet. And I told those folks it's going to take, and we talked about it here on the channel, it's going to take this entire month for me to reach you guys, get your preliminary orders in the system. But the people that are contacting me, and your support of the channel is great. I love that. I appreciate it. You're sending referrals. But right now, I'm getting people that are not really understanding to my situation of just a time monster I'm dealing with, and are getting mad and getting nasty in emails and text messages because they have a car ordered, a C8 car ordered at another dealership, and I just got a quick question. It's got a quick question. What's the big deal? It's just a quick question. Well, the big deal is the guy that's got your order needs to do his job. Guys, I still have to do my job, and I have people waiting that are buying from us, and it's not fair to them. It's not fair to me. It's not that I don't know the answer to your question. I got cornered at a show the other day. Hey, I got a car ordered with my dealer, and he doesn't know anything about these packages and doesn't know timelines and stuff like that. I know you know the stuff, Rick, but can you go over that stuff with me? I've got a few questions how I should order this car and what you think and this stuff. Guys, right now, I didn't even know how to do this segment and how I wanted to say this segment, but I think you guys are getting it. It's not that I don't want to communicate with you and I don't want to answer your questions, but right now I need to be able to take care of home base before I start doing the job for other dealers. Let me tell you this, if Chevrolet's watching right now, put me on the payroll. I'll answer all the questions you want. I mean, seriously, these dealers need to be earning your business, and they don't have that insight, they don't have that passion. They're real quick to take your deposit though, but as far as actually having a conversation that you feel comfortable about on the new car, I know you're not getting that, and I apologize. I wish I had gobs and gobs of allocation for everybody, but I've got to I got to do what I got to do right now. And then once the dust settles a little bit and things start processing over the next couple of months, yeah, I can extend some little extra courtesy and some extra questions and stuff like that. But then people get mad at me. It's because, yeah, it's just one question. And as soon as you answer that question, it generates 10 more and a 45-minute conversation. And I'm out of business for a car that the other dealer has done nothing for. It's almost as crazy as some of the dealers in Columbus. They won't let people test drive their cars. They're like, go down to Coghlan. They'll let you test drive and then come on back and let me know. Do you feel good about spending money with a guy like that doesn't want to take the time? This is the showroom right here, man. Inside the car, dog and pony right here. But this is where you get to feel exactly what's going on with the car. And me as a sales representative, I get to read your reaction. Do you feel comfortable behind the wheel? Are you not seeing over the hood well? Not understanding how to use stuff in the infotainment system? This is where you do the selling, inside the car. And another dealer says, hey, you can't drive mine? But go to Coghlan and test drive one? Come on, man. Yeah, Q and the Beatles. Yep, coo-coo-ca-choo. And guys, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to go all into that as long as I did, but you just need to know that's going on right now, and it really compromises my schedule. And I'm not trying to be mean or disrespectful to people to support the channel, but seriously, you should ask yourself, if a guy's gonna ask $75,000, $80,000, $95,000, doesn't he need to earn that for you? I think you should. I don't think I'm out of line here, okay? I apologize if I am. Here's another rant for you guys. And this used to be something we would complain about when it came to young drivers. It's not anymore. Please, you guys, get off your freaking phone when you're driving. Are you kidding me right now? This is out of control. I'm going to my doctor's appointment last week and I saw 2 bad accidents. And this is not on an exit ramp or an on-ramp, you know, where you would get that intertwine of traffic and maybe cause an accident. No, this is just flat out on the freeway. Bam! People slamming into cars, multiple car accidents, big rear enders. This is clearly people on their phone not paying attention. And this is in newer cars too that I see you guys driving. Didn't your salesman show you how to Bluetooth and Apple CarPlay, Android Auto? Are you kidding me? Get off your freaking phone. This has got to stop. This is out of control, guys. You're like a teenager's getting ready to drive, and it's not like when we were young driving. I mean, what was our distraction? Just cranking up that radio. Yeah. What? What'd you say? What? Ah. Yeah, but we don't have it today. There's too many things going on, and I'll actually have a confession for you guys coming up in our next vlog, but I'm going to give you one right now in regards to cell phones. When I was commuting back and forth west of Cleveland for 2.5, almost 3 years here at Coghlan, I'll be on the way home on 71, set my cruise about 73. I do a lot of out-of-state business, so communicating with you via text sometimes is a way to get to a lot of people in a short amount of time. So I'm on the way home, and I'm doing it. Exactly what I'm telling you not to do. I'm doing it. This is about 9 years ago. I'm in the right lane. As I look up, there's a semi. He's doing about 45. I'm doing 73. One more word I would have texted would have been right into the rear end of that truck. Freaked me out. I got off the freeway, tried to collect myself and go, it's just like, oh, it's like, what the hell am I doing? I put my phone down. I didn't have the technology of Apple CarPlay, didn't exist then, but I didn't need to be doing that while I'm driving. We all have, times are different, I get that. We're all extremely busy. It's unfortunate, but that's life as it is today. But doing this while you're driving on the freeway, and I watched a guy the other day. I'm looking at him. He's 15 seconds, man, not even picking his head up. I beeped the home and was like, dude, get off your phone. Are you kidding me? It's dangerous. Think about that. We're all guilty of it. I just admitted it, but I don't do it anymore. Just can't. It scares me. There's too much going on out there, especially those accidents I just saw. It just scared the crap out of me. You think about that. I don't want that to be you. I don't want that to happen to your family or cause that upon another family. Get off your freaking phone when you're driving. Well, as I mentioned, I have another confession coming for you when we were at the Real Church Car and Bike Show. Those highlights in a vlog coming up either tomorrow, Thursday at the latest for you guys. And when I get to those car shows, I get so excited walking around and talking with you, I just kind of open up. I let one slip. So that's coming up in the next vlog, as well as an opportunity to win a nice small prize too after you get the right answer to our pop quiz. So stay tuned to this channel for that. All right, guys, it's time now for a quick tip from Rick. and it's actually more of advice rather than a tip, but it comes at a customer's expense. I want to thank Pete up in Michigan for allowing us to share his pictures, his video, and his experience that's going to hopefully help one of you guys in the future. All right, you saw what happened to Pete's car. It's upsetting when your Corvette, any car, is involved in an accident. Here's our quick tip today, or advice. This is not endorsing any particular one, but get yourself a dash cam. I've got video coming up for you here in just a second, but get yourself any type of a dash cam to protect yourself, because here's what happened with Pete. He was in his lane, and this guy came over and just tore off the side of his car. Of course, that guy told the officer, oh no, he came into my lane. He's like, no, he came into my lane. And you know where that goes, nowhere, and brain damage. Well, then Pete went to the officer. He said, yeah, here's my dash cam. Officer looks at it. He goes, okay, you're good. Give me a copy of that. You're getting a ticket. Handled. Get yourself a dash cam to protect yourself. Now here's a value story going forward in the market of Corvette. A little plug for the C8 2020 mid-engine Corvette. If you've got navigation, it comes with PDR, and the PDR camera will now have an opportunity for you to program the settings to be a dash cam every time you get in and start the car. More on that as we get to the release of the C8. But here's the dash cam from Pete's incident. Hey Pete, thanks again for letting us share it on the vlog. I hope others can learn from this situation. And as far as what you were saying in those bleeps, I had a pretty good idea. They weren't Spanish words. Now keep in mind, that happened to Pete when he was on his way home from the Woodward Dream Cruise. Well, he was able to smile once again because he went back to the cruise. I think he was there every day last week. He went back to the Woodward Cruise and what ended up being a themed car caught by Channel 4. Check this out.
This is the Woodward Cruise.
Peter Pillarito says it's official. He owns this Chevy Cruze. You can add this custom-made license plate with Woodward on it, and you have the official Woodward Cruise car. Well, according to Peter.
I just bought the car, and I had the plate for many years. I didn't realize when I bought the car that I said, oh yeah, this is the Woodward Cruise. I put it together. It's pretty funny.
He's been here at the cruise for the last 25 years.
It's about sharing the passion that we all have for the car. We all have stories.
Well, once again, we've covered a lot in this upload. I appreciate you taking the time to join us here on the channel. Your support of the channel means a lot. If you haven't yet, subscribe, thumbs up this video, leave those comments down below. We gave you a lot to talk about today. But before we go, it's time for the beautiful ride segment. And you can participate in that. If you've got a ride, a cool ride that you're proud of, any ride it is, email me the picture of your ride. The email address is up on the screen. But you can also participate by introing this beautiful ride segment by texting me a video intro. Just something you can be creative, do whatever you want, but you can say, hey, my name is Rick from Ohio. Now let's check out some of your beautiful rides. Bam, do that, and then we'll roll it. So today we have another guest intro. Thank you so much, you guys. I'll talk to you soon.
Hi, it's Tina from Ohio. This is my beautiful ride. Let's see yours. How about that lava orange? I was too young, and I didn't understand that you were the one, and I can't wait to see you can't wait.
inside is bleeding, oh, and your heart's bleeding, and all you can see is red. Till you discover it is within each other to forgive and make amends. If I had known then, or what I know now, I wouldn't have said what I said. I took the long road, thought I'd be better on my own. Sometimes what's right is wrong instead. 'Cause I was too young, and I didn't understand that you were the one. And I can't wait to see you again. Oh, I can't wait, I can't wait, I can't wait. 'Cause I was too young, and I didn't understand that you